You know, I wasn't even going to come out here tonight, but after a couple of cups of that rocket fuel that our buddy Tim sent us, holy cow, I'm kind of pepped right up. You know, I had a cup of coffee all day. Friggin' when you're working on the construction side of this business, there's just no time for that. But that, and of course, I got up late and ran out the door, so my thermoses didn't get filled. But, oh, looks like we're back to winter though. Noreaster's hitting. We're getting lake effect right now, which is funny because that's out of the west. But we're getting hit pretty good. When I got home tonight, there was no snow on that truck. But it is pretty though, I tell you what. It makes a big difference having this wall up over here. It makes a real big difference. Holy cow. Yeah, this is going to be, I think we're going to be quite filled up by morning. Oh boy, back to plowing snow, I guess. But at least I can enjoy a damn good cup of coffee. When I get these timbers cleaned off, and we'll keep running the chain mortiser, try to get these done, so let's see what happens. Well, that looks like we got all the brace mortises done in these 5. Of course, we've got to do our housings yet. Probably won't get to those tonight. Didn't even get out here till 8 o'clock. It's, well, shoot, I think I've got, what time is it? Oh, it's not bad. You know, I only have a half an hour into what we have so far. And of course, that's with me kind of wandering around a little bit, drinking a bunch of coffee, getting all woken up and stuff. But, tell you, we are getting dumped on right now pretty good. We've probably gotten a good couple inches since I've been out here. And, it's coming down really good. So, next part we have to do, not quite done with the chain mortiser yet, but we got to roll these over and get them with, back on the reference face up. And we have to start cutting our through mortises. Now, I went through and did all the brace mortises first because I can adjust the chain mortiser to one depth and then hit them all. I mean, so far we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 mortises in this we've cut probably in a couple hours time, if that. If you guys wonder why you're not seeing me using the auto indexing lever on that thing, that's part of the linkage that's gotten really worn out. And in order for me to even keep this thing clamped, I had to put a piece of really good stiff wire on there just to keep that clamping lever from popping up. Probably when this project's all said and done, we're going to be revamping that chain mortiser, but right now I just absolutely cannot take the time to do it, unfortunately. And that's more, that's just the way it is. Just the way it is right now. I really can't take the time out of what we're doing. But it looks like we've got some, looks like we're going to have some collaboration videos coming up in the near future. I've talked to Essential Mountain Homesteading, and if you haven't seen them, he's a home builder. He does pretty nice work, and he's also in the process of building a place up in the mountains for him and his family. We talked last week for a while. Super nice guy. I mean, a super nice guy. And Nathan from Out of the Woods, him and I have been talking on doing some projects together, because we're friends outside of YouTube, and that should be fun. The only thing that's hard with all this stuff is being, you know, hundreds or thousands of miles apart, but we figure if other people can figure it out, then maybe we can too. Who knows, maybe we'll start doing an unboxing video 3 or 4 times a week. And then after that, maybe we'll put some cool titles in there, like I almost died today or something like that. See, that was a close call, you know, I just about tripped right there. Sure, we can spam that out. No, I'm just joking, you won't see much of that on this channel. I have been toying around with the titles a little bit, trying to get things to hit a little better, so if you guys are seeing those and you're seeing someone look a little goofy to you, pay them no mind. We will not be resorting to clickbait stuff here, but we're just kind of toying around with things and experimenting around, and it's kind of fun. To be honest with you, that's half the fun of doing this, is finding out what works as far as, you know, YouTube and all that good stuff goes. But anyway, I guess I should quit yakking, put you back in the time lapse, and we'll hit these through mortises, see how fast we can get these done. But boy, I am just jittered right up. That coffee was awesome. Wow, thank you, Tim. Thank you, Tim.
Stumble around trying to find or be found in a good world.
You guys notice I'm sitting in a dark shadow over here right now, right in the middle of a cut, and my work light blew out on me, and I don't have any more bulbs right now. Not a big deal, but it's going to stop the camera for tonight. But anyway, we just keep getting a little closer, a little bit at a time. These are almost wrapped up, which will be nice. Like I said, should be able to have them done for the weekend. And if this weather lets up a little bit, maybe I could start getting some more queen post bents up. But so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're just going to keep trucking along. I may be taking a break soon to do a couple other projects that need doing. I kind of really want to make my debarking draw knife for these logs behind me, because that bark is pretty tight on there. And I really don't feel like having the mess of the chainsaw and all that, so we'll hit that. Possibly, I'm not sure. You never know with this channel where we're going to go tomorrow, but we got to try to keep moving with this because we're just so close. But at the same time, there's things you need, and I'm just a cheapskate. That's just the long and the short of it, is I'm a cheapskate. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. And also, oh yeah, I can't let you go yet. I got to ramble a little bit more. Saturday or Sunday, we will be putting out our 200th video on this channel. So if you're new to this channel and you have not watched them, I caution against the really old ones, but probably about 50 videos into it, they started getting halfway decent. So anyway, have a good night, guys. I'll catch you on the other side.